Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you get code interpreter feature in ChatGPT. So guys, the code interpreter feature in ChatGPT, which is also known as advanced data analysis, you can get this feature through ChatGPT Plus. So you need to just sign up for ChatGPT Plus. Just go to ChatGPT, and in the top here you can see ChatGPT Plus. Click on it. You can get the ChatGPT Plus premium subscription by giving $20 per month. You can just click the button subscribe, and you need to just give your account information. And after that, once you are in ChatGPT 4 model, you need to just look for the advanced data analysis option, which also could be listed at code interpreter, and you need to enable it. And after the feature is enabled, you can ask ChatGPT to perform tasks that require code execution, data analysis or plotting. Just like if you can say, can you help me analyze this CSV file, then you need to just upload your file, and ChatGPT will help you through code interpreter. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.